Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video, it is a very big day. As you could tell, the RM125 is nowhere to be found. Here's the stand, but no bike. And as you guys could tell from the title, today is the first drive on it. So the bike is at Dylan Does' house. You guys probably already know. We dropped it off there last night. If you guys follow my Instagram and Snapchat, you guys already know prior, because I had the most sketchiest dirt bike haul ever. I didn't have any ratchet straps because, you know, I'm new to the whole dirt bike hauling community or whatever. So we just used bungee cords and a whole bunch of chains, and it was super sketchy. Went down the highway on it, but we were able to make it work. But the bike is there right now. It's all fueled up. And today we're going to the racetrack, the same one that we went to last time. I think they redid the whole track though. Last time when I went on Dylan Does' 450, I also brought my 110 pit bike. Didn't handle it that great. So who knows what could go wrong. Hopefully everything goes pretty good. And keep in mind, this is my first time ever driving a two-stroke dirt bike or two-stroke anything in general. So hopefully the power band doesn't get me. I'm gonna start off on the beginner track and then move on to the more advanced track. But anyway guys, we're kind of racing against time right now. So I'll catch you guys at Dylan's so you guys can see all the rigs that are going today. Also Sean, you guys might know him. He had the go-kart build from far back. He's coming as well. But anyway guys, let's go head over there and check out the bikes. Alrighty guys, so we just got to Dylan's. Dylan,
what's up?
Rocking the moto merch. That was an awkward handshake.
Yeah,
then we got
really
Sean.
was.
That was a nice firm one. But here are some of the toys. We got Dylan's Renegade 800, pretty sketchily, that's even a word, mounted. We got the RM. She is ready to rip. Got the Scrambler 850 that Sean's riding for his first time riding, so that should be nice. And then we got the Grizzly 660. Got all the gear, the lunch boxes. So today should be a fun day. Sounds so good. It blew up.
7,000 RPM, buddies. So we're at the track now. What's up? Miggs has been trying to start this thing for almost an hour.
Yep.
And yet still no luck. So now we are taking off the airbox. As you can see, Sean is just loving the view of watching this thing get work done. Yeah. Let's know if anything happens. Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so it's about 2 hours later, maybe 2.5, 3 hours since we got here, and I finally got this thing running. I don't know what was wrong with it, but we got lucky and it started. So I'm gonna try and take it out for my first drive ever out on the track, and we'll see how it goes. The carb isn't leaking anymore, which is good. Should I go on the beginning? Watch this. It's alright, she'll start. Once it's warm, she'll start. Should we go on the beginner track?
No, don't. It's too muddy.
Oh, okay.
It'll be muddy.
Alright guys, so first I'm driving the arm and I'm going out to advanced.
You want me to drive in there real quick and check?
Let's just go through here.
Okay.
Guys, this thing has been crazy. You see some of the stuff here. I've been working on it against the trailer. I mean, it's not running too bad right now, actually. Sounds pretty good. But I'm just going to take it slow in there. Once again, first time driving a two-stroke. We're running it with no plastics on it because we didn't have enough time. We're kind of in a little bit of a rush to get this thing going. Alright. Oh guys, here we go. Okay, it's a little slick. Oh man, I'm going so slow right now, but hey, as long as I'm out here having fun, that's all that matters. This is my first time on a dirt bike, also at a track. Woo! Oh god, I don't have goggles on, I forgot. And once again, I'm not even close to a good rider off-road. I'm always used to street tracks, the street. So So they did redo the track from last time I was here just a little bit. So I'm not completely sure what I'm going into. So it's a little slick right here. Gotta slow down. And I can't flat foot this bike either, so yeah. Dylan on the 800. Oh god. This is where goggles are needed. I can't see! I can't see! Oh, I can see. I'm pretty sure that there's a big drop off here. Oh! Oh, I remember this part right here. This is where I stalled on Dylan's YFC. Yeah, this thing's got power. I think I might go for another lap. Alright guys, let's do it! Another lap, here we go! I still don't know why this thing wasn't running before. We took out the spark plug, we took out the carburetor, cleaned the carburetor, used yeah, Dylan! Oh god, here we go again. Won't be able to see. Oh man, he is ripping. So second gear seems to be perfect. Woohoo! I mean, it's running pretty dang good right now. Car just gotta raise the idle a little bit, but other than that, it feels pretty good. Man, my first two-stroke. I gotta say, that Paravan feels real nice. But luckily, last time I was here, it was crazy packed, as you guys might remember if you guys watched that video. But today, it's a Tuesday, it's a work day, a weekday, and we like basically have this whole place to ourselves, which is awesome. Woo! This is so awesome, so worth all the time of working on this thing. So we got Sean all the way up front. He's doing really good for his first time riding on the Scrambler, the 850. Woo! A little airtime maybe. I mean, yeah, the bike isn't perfect, but I mean, we can still do anything we want to this. This is like a testing tune kind of, to see what needs to be done. Oh my god, and I'm pretty sure this thing has 6 gears? I can't even imagine what it is. It's 6 gear. I'm only at second. I could so shift it, but I mean, I don't know. I just want to take it easy. Oh, the camera part doesn't know justice. This guy's been having problems with his quad all day. Hey Sean! This thing rips! This thing rips! This thing rips! I mean, when I come back, I'll probably throw in the plastics and everything, so I look good going around here. I could go around. If you guys remember, I used to have the problem with the carb leaking, and all of a sudden, and we fixed it, but then all of a sudden, right before we came, it started leaking again. And also, I did fix the air. I did mock up the back of the airbox for it to not get any dirt in there. There we go. There's third. All right, third might be a little bit better because I think I'm red line a little. Oh yeah, no. All right, maybe I gotta go to second and third. Second and third are the perfect. Oh. Yep. Oh, almost fell.
Hey, come around.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Oh no, please don't stall. Oh no. Oh boy, we're both broken down. Catch you guys back when hopefully this thing starts. Oh, I don't know if we're recording, but I got it started. Those guys that were behind us on the YFCs, they absolutely rip, so I gotta watch out for them. I just went into third. Oh yeah, that's around the top of third. I don't know if there's a special way to go over jumps, but I was just flip forward, it felt like, so yeah. When it's running, it's not bad, I just don't. I just don't get why it's not starting. Usually it starts first kick. Hands aren't hurting at all, surprisingly. So I'm gonna go another. Oh, my fender! Do I dare turn it off? I gotta turn it off. I gotta get my fender. I wanna lean this somewhere. Nowhere to lean it. Alright, here we go. Hopefully no one comes. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Just lean against this. Don't move, bike. I got it. I could try and throw it on. Alright, here, quad. Sounds like... Yep. My fender fell off. I think that'll work. Okay, thank you. Gotta get to lower ground because this bike's so tall. Okay. Hopefully it starts. Oh. I don't want the fender to fall off. Fender definitely flew off. Easy. The quads are coming. I gotta run. I can get used to this two-stroke life. I think I gotta go in and get hydrated a little bit so I don't get a cramp. Dang it. Oh, nice. Of course, right when I pull in. Alright guys, so we're back out, got the plastics on, the bike is fully complete. Got Sean in front of me. Yeah, right here Dylan. He's on the Grizzly 660. Oh, I should have got my goggles on, I still don't have them. God, but I was getting destroyed, gotta keep my head down. Made the pass. Man, this thing's running great. It started right up before. So that's good. Might just had something in it, in the fuel or something, that made it just not want to start. Definitely getting used to the bike. And I'm loving it. Woo! Oh, neutral. Woo! Oh god, I feel my carb leaking. Oh god, it's leaking out bad. Oh god, that is not good. Oh god, I better let that cool down a little before I try and start it again. I think we're good now. God, that kick lever keeps coming out. Back in business, boys. Woo! My legs start feeling really wet. Look down. The whole hose is off the carburetor. God, I'm so happy how this thing's running now. Just all that time that we put into it. God, it just feels the best to ride it and know that it's not breaking apart right now. It stops, runs, shifts, everything. Oh, the sprinklers, it felt so good. More. Oh God, right in my eye. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's another. I can't see. What is up with this? All right, go fall again. Alrighty guys, so we are back here with the RM125. It is back home and it did great for the most part while it was running. And I had to cut the video a little bit short, and there most likely will be a part 2 because we did a whole lot of other stuff that day. But you guys got to see the entire first drive of the RM125, and this thing is an absolute monster. But for some reason, it's always ran great ever since I rebuilt it. Right when I get there, stops running, wouldn't even fire, as you guys saw from the Dylan cam. And after about 3 hours of working on it in like the 95-degree heat, I finally got it. Ran great while I was driving it, but if it would shut off, it would have such a hard time to start back up. The carb was leaking, or something definitely isn't right with the RM. I'm almost certain it's the carburetor, so I am going to go ahead and order a brand new one, and hopefully that should fix our problem, because I definitely want to get this thing running perfect for the next time we go to the track, because it was just so much fun to rip it. I wish I was able to ride it more, but I'm pretty happy at the amount of laps I got in. So be on the lookout for getting this thing running right again, unless all of a sudden it magically wants to run again while it's here. But anyway guys, I'm going to be ending the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos with the RM, possibly the part 2 of the riding that we did yesterday, like I said before, and a whole lot of awesome videos. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel.